Hello everyone, welcome to my kitchen. My husband is going to cook today. We're gonna eat Wiener Schnitzel and mushroom with mushroom sauce. And what else? With salad. Oh, look at that. Smelling very delicious. How are you gonna make the sauce? First, butter. Yes, did you put butter?
Yes, and then flour.
Gotcha, and then flour. Now he's gonna put flour. Mix. And then
bouillon.
now, are you adding now the bouillon?
Yep.
Okay. My chef cook for today. Hello. Yes. It's looking very good. And now the cream. That's it?
And then let it boil a little bit and then it's finished.
Okay. No, I mean the cream.
No, maybe
Why not half of that?
Yeah, a little bit more.
What did you put in the potato, Scott?
Yeah, I put some chili flakes, some pepper salt, and some Italian herbs.
Oh, sounds great. And this is Schnitzel. We call it Schnitzels in German. And that is from pork tenderloin, right?
Yes.
And you put breadcrumbs, salt and pepper.
Yep.
Okay. Nice. Baked potato is almost ready. Okay, this is schnitzel now. We are baking now the schnitzel. Sauce is ready. Look at that. And then you're gonna eat it with salad. Okay, this is it. This is the finished product. What my husband cooked. Schnitzel with mushroom, sauce, baked potato, and this salad. Okay. That's it. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comments. And see you on my next video. Bye.